Hi, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are absolutely welcome. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. In today's video, guys, we are discussing about clove. Clove is a very important ingredient you need in your home. And today I'll be listing out the health benefits of clove. But today our focus will be mainly on how to use it as a woman. If you want to find out the benefits of clove and also how to use it as a woman, please give this video a huge thumbs up and keep on watching. So guys, let's dive right into this video. I'll be telling you the origination of clove and everything you need to know about it before we go into the video proper. So clove are plants that originate from Indonesia and are dried flower buds from a clove tree. They are popular spice people use in soups, stews, meats, sauce, and rice dishes. The name comes from a Latin word clavus, which means nail, since the shape of a dried clove resembles that of a nail. Clove also contains eugenol, which has numerous benefits to the body, especially for bacterial treatment. You can use it to treat acne problems, problem skin, itching, and eczema. Furthermore, clove contains important nutrients. I have mentioned one such as eugenol. It is high in antioxidants. It can kill bacteria, just like as already said. It helps improve the liver health. It helps regulate blood sugar. It promotes bone health, may reduce stomach ulcer. It increases male power in bed. It enhances sperm motility. It is used for relaxation, and this is done by using the clove oil. It's being poured into your diffuser, and you enjoy the environment. It is key ingredient in many continental dishes. It is an anti-carcinogenic. It strengthens the health of the teeth and gums. It promotes teeth and gum health. It cleanses the lungs. It promotes production of digestive juice, which are necessary for digestion. It is used to treat inflammation in the large intestines, which is known as colitis. Last but not the least, it promotes vaginal health. And there are so many benefits of this clove that I can't list. But today we'll be focusing on vaginal health. So guys, to start off with the preparation, you need a mason jar, and I'm using a clean mason jar. And I'll be scooping in 2 tablespoons of the clove into the mason jar. The next thing I do is to add water. I put water into this jar to the brim. So now I am covering the jar tightly. You need to cover the jar tightly so that you will get what you want from the clove, and then you shake it. Shake it vigorously, shake it very, very well till you see the water turning cloudy or so. And then make sure you bring this out every day to give it a good shake and leave it in this jar for 3 days.
So yes, I'm back. I'm showing you what my clove looks like after 3 days. 1, 2, 3. 3 days. Truly, I think I've lost my numeric numbers. I don't know. Quarantine is taking a whole lot of me. but we're gonna be fine. We're gonna pull through. Let me show you what my clove looks like after 3 days. Yeah, so this is what it looks like after 3 whopping days. Yes, I told you that you're going to leave it in this container for 3 days, and make sure you shake it. And on the 3rd day, you can drain it, like removing the solid from the liquid. Here we have this clove. It's a brown color, and you may not really see it right here. It looks maybe darker, but then it's like brown, like it's like brown. And I promised I was going to show you how to use this. I told you that this clove, I'm preparing it for the coochie. Excuse me, if you're a kid here, please, it's time to just like, can you leave the adults to talk? I prepared this for the coochie area. You need to wash it and tighten it. Yes, this is what it looks like after 3 days, and this is how to use it. Use this goodness. You need to take the steps. Okay, thing you should do is to take it to the bathroom with you before you use it to wash or clean the cushy area. You should have had your bath. When you're done having your bath, you just clean up around that area. Then you pour it into a cup and squat, like go down, drop down, go down and wash it. Wash it generously. Don't hurt yourself. And you know what I'm saying? Like, guys, just take your time and wash your cushy area very, very well. And I'll suggest you do this morning and night to get maximum results. When you're done washing it very well, don't clean it. Don't wash it out. Just leave the bathroom. Leave it like that. It's going to dry, and then you will feel like a stinging sensation around there after a while after you've applied it. That is to tell you that this goodness is working. Yes. To do this for a total of 1 week, you can always prepare more. If you perceive that the one you have is not going to be enough for the whole 1 week, you can prepare it. You just have 3 days to soak it, and we have like 7 days in a week, so you can just prepare it and use it for 1 week to get maximum results. If you're a woman who has already put to birth or have kids, you can use this for as long as a month or 2. It's really going to get that place from like this to like this. It's really going to be tight, and that is what we want. So I'm not only talking about the tightening nature or benefits of this thing, it also eradicates vaginal odor, smell, stench. It's like sends it away, like sends it packing out of your body, while giving you a very nice, smooth, sweet smelling, savor, tight and juicy, healthy VG, and that is what we want. Yes, so this is how you use this thing. Okay, make sure that you store it very well so it doesn't get cloudy inside, like get spoiled. That is the whole sense of this. Try this and leave a comment telling me how best it works for you, or it worked for you. You can even refer it to your mom, your sister, a friend, whoever that's in the need of getting her cushy from this to this, like really small stuff. Yeah, and really, guys, your man is going to love you. Am I speaking to the ladies? You're going to keep him. Yes, he's never going to leave you. Just try this. You thank me later. Just try it. Try it. Just go try this thing, and you will thank me later. You will definitely thank me. Just take this word from me. You are going to thank me for this help. This is like just a jar of goodness. It's going to eradicate smell. It's going to tighten your cushy. It's going to make it juicy. It's going to make it healthy. Taste sweet. And what? bangable. If you try this thing, I promise you, you're not going to regret it. You're going to testify. You're going to come back and ask for more videos like this. So yeah, bring us that. If you want more videos like this, giving you hints about how to get some things fixed as a woman, your womanhood, restore your pride and all of that, you can leave a comment below and I will definitely do videos for you. What are we not saying? Well, give us a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to stay connected and follow this beautiful goddess. Thanks for watching. Thanks for clicking on this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.